Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading po ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha, kasi hindi naman talaga natin makakuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. And for personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook, ayan, sa Messenger, sa TikTok, and dito sa YouTube, meron na rin siya. And let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Libra. Yung ibang details nandiyan na lang sa description box. Paki-check na lang, guys. For Libra, please. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi ha. General love reading ito. You do have your Ace of Mirrors. And Ace of Roses. And Ace of Rings. Wow. Tatlong ace yan. And that's an angel number sa'yo. This is angel number 111. Yung ace kasi is number 1, di ba? So, I'm feeling a new person energy pagdating sa love. And this new person, like pwedeng hindi maging open or hindi maging totoo itong person na to sa'yo. We do have here the villain. And, Nine of Rings. Yan, nakakita tayo ng options sa'yo. You do have your influencer. So, I don't know, maybe for some of you, lagi kang nagpo-post sa social media. Kung ikaw yon na pala post ka maybe sa Facebook, sa Reels, TikTok, kumaga almost daily nagpo-post ka. This could be your reading. That's the energy na nakukuha natin. Kahit ito ay may kinalaman sa trabaho, etc. Basta I can see you posting something. And, I'm seeing a new person na paparating ngayon sa buhay mo. Kunin natin yung energy ng person na yun. Nagamit ako ng ibang card, guys. Wait lang. Hinahanap ko yung deck na gagamitin ko. Wait lang, guys. Okay. Sino itong bagong person na paparating? Kay Libra. Who is this new person? You do have here the privileged lady. Oh, it's I can see a friend. Yan. And you do have here despair. So, dalawang class. I mean, any of this. Maybe siya yung tao na dadating siya kung kailan kailangan mo financially. And then, this person could be a new person. Ayan. Nakakita tayo ng communication sa inyo. And pwedeng yung communication has something to do with money. Or vice versa. Pwedeng siya yung may kailangan. And then, you are a friend. Or you could be the friend na makakatulong para sa kanya. Hindi man financially, but maybe some sort of advice ang maibibigay mo dito sa taon to. And yun yung magiging dahilan para magkaroon ng communication sa inyong dalawa. And I can see big change dahil dito. Maaaring magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago sa connection ninyo because of itong problema na ito. No? Possible. Tell me about this person's view of you. Ano ang tingin sa'yo nitong taong to? For Libra. Yeah, actually, apat na ace yung nagpakita. This is the last ace, which is the ace of flutes. Ayan. And, apat na ace, that's 11-11. For some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Or this is your twin flame coming in here for you. Lalo na with the 4 of mirrors. Yung 4 of mirrors, yung number 4 dito, it's like 4 ace kasi yung napakita. So, apat na 1. No? And it's like, yeah, reassuring rose. So, this is like a assurance na itong taong ito is may new beginning na sa inyong dalawa. And atong person na ito views you as the 7 of mirrors. Ayan, may angel number na naman tayo, which is the 666. Ayan, 6666. So, it's the number 6. This person, nakikita kanya as the advisor. Yan, someone, sabi ko nga, pwede makakatulong sa kanya, makakapagbigay ng advice sa kanya. This person, nakikita kanya as a person na parang itatama yung mga bagay na mali niya. Or maybe feeling niya you are currently, kung siya to na namomblema, kasi sabi ko pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya. Natadating itong taong to na isa sa inyo may problema na hindi okay, especially financially. And kung ikaw ito namomblema, then ang tingin niya sa'yo, siya yung makakapag-advise sa'yo regarding dito sa problema mo. You do have here the 5 of roses. So, I can see competition. And kung may competition or another person na involved dito sa connection ninyo, feeling niya, mali ito. Hindi ito yung tamang relasyon na dapat nasa sayo ngayon. Kung ikaw yung nasa isang relationship. Pero kung siya yung nasa isang relationship, feeling niya hindi yun yung relasyon para sa kanya. And yeah, you do have your the end. Kung ano man itong dapat mag-end dito, this could be the story about dun sa other person na involved dito sa connection ninyo. And you do have here the producer. Yan. Kung makikita mo, di ba, yung producer actually is yung sa isang pelikula, sa isang movie, nagpapakita yung mga producer, mga pangalan ng kasama doon sa pelikula na yon at the end of the story, 'di ba? At the end of the movie. Ganun din sa connection na ito. So, feeling niya kung sino man ito nakakonect mo in the past, and yung kung may relationship sa inyo, it feels like tapos na yon. Parang it's my time to shine. Ako naman. Parang ganun. And ano yung tingin mo at emotions mo dito sa taong ko? For Libra, please. Ano yung tingin mo at emotions mo para sa kanya? You see this person as the runner with the Knight of Roses. So, nakikita mo siya as a runner. So, kung may twin flame connection kayo, pwedeng nakikita mo siya na siya yung lumalayo, siya yung umiiwas. And the Two of Roses, maybe you are not sure dito sa taong ito kung ano yung decision niya, kung ano yung intention niya, kung ano gusto niya mangyari sa inyo. Maybe with the 9 of Mirrors, yeah, you have no clue sa ngayon. And maybe ang emotion mo dito sa person na ito, sa ngayon medyo pwedeng hindi ka okay, or pwedeng nasaktan ka kasi niya before in the past. Yeah, this could be a past person. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa ng person? In the future, you do have here the Ace of Flutes, Queen of Roses, the Fans, Page of Roses, and the Cliffhanger. So, there's a continuation sa connection ninyong dalawa. This person, you do have here the Host, which is siya yung main person in the near future. Okay, and I feel like there's an exciting event sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito na pwedeng ikagugulat na lahat. Kahit ikaw, magugulat ka na lang sa magiging action nitong person na to. Okay? Kasi, pwedeng hindi mo na kasi hinihintay eh. Okay, maybe in the past, naghintay ka dito sa taong to, pero this time, hindi ka na kasi naghihintay, hindi ka na nag-aabang. So, magugulat ka na lang. Bigla na lang dadating itong person na ito, and, I can see someone here being a single mom or single dad kind of energy. Hindi siya kasi papayag na maging, second place lang sa buhay mo. So, itong taong to gagawa siya ng paraan na siya yung maging main, yung maging winner ng buhay mo. So, magugulat ka na lang, itong taong to will try to win you. Tatry niyang makuha ka or maging sa kanya ka. Okay? And basta ikaw gugulat mo na lang yung action nitong taong ito. And ano yung dapat mong gawin? What is the advice for you? Well, ang dapat mong gawin, you do have here the 3 of Rings, 7 of Flutes. Maybe you need to cut off something. Meron kang dapat i-cut off. 10 of Mirrors, yeah, this is some kind of ending. Kung nasa isang relationship ka pa, can you see this? It's like a hand holding on to this parang bone or laruan ng mga aso, no? You need to let go. Kailangan mo ihagis, kailangan mo itapon. And this is like a scissor, so kailangan mo i-cut off. Kailangan mo itapon, kailangan mo i-end with the 10 of Mirrors. Kung ano man yung relationship or situation na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Because there's someone coming here for you, coming in here for you. And itong taong to has a 10 of Flutes, so this is like a proposal, this is like a person na dadating. Kasi parang feeling niya qualified na siya. Pwede na akong sumali or pwede na akong mag-try na makuha ka this time. Yeah, this person really wants you, really wants to have you. Yan, kailangan mo lang mag-take ng risk kasi sasaluhin ka nitong taong to eh. This is your destiny. The number 10 and destiny is here. So, paparating na itong taong para talaga sa'yo. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Dapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all. And bye-bye.